Welcome to the spine warm-up tutorial. I'm Dr. Laura Johnson from Yellow Brick Physical Therapy, and I want to show you a really simple and effective way to warm up your spine, both front and back. So what you want to do is on the floor, I'm going to show you on my table here so you can see me really well, is simply lay flat with your forehead on the backs of your hands and just let yourself settle. Position 2 is to come up to your elbows, let your head relax. That's so you're not working the paraspinals of the back and instead relaxing everything. Now feel for any pressure in your low back here or your front, and if you feel anything at all, take your elbows wider so that you're lower. You always want to keep it relaxed and unpainful. From here, you'll lift your hips, walk your elbows back about halfway towards your knees, and here you're hanging out kind of in this tucked position, your shoulders over your elbows, your hips over your knees, letting your head relax here too, so you're not working any muscles, you're really relaxing. And then you'll come back forward, walking your elbows forward, back to your elbows, drop your body, relax your head, feel for pressure, take your elbows wider if you feel anything at all. Pause here. And then all the way back down to flat. And then we'll repeat. So you'll come back up to your elbows, relax your head, always micro adjust out of any tension or pressure. Walking your elbows back to this tabletop position, relaxing your head. Pause at each place, walk yourself forward, relax your head. And then all the way back down. Eventually you'll benefit from spending longer in each of these areas, but for now I want you to just get in the routine of this simple and flowing, pausing kind of routine. And just know that you're both lengthening the front side of the spine, lengthening the back side of the spine, and in a rested way. The idea of these stretches is not to pull or create resistance or force anything, but rather to teach the muscles to relax and lengthen. I hope you enjoy.